Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I'm trying to keep taking care of my hair more these days, I used to do just your regular shampoo. This Garnier shampoo, honey shampoo, is just excellent. First thing, the smell. This honey soothing, soft flavor that you can even leave your hair with just the shampoo in, and after that you get compliments of like, your hair actually smells really good. And the fact that this guy here already does the repairing, does the soothing, does the whole sensation that your hair is soft like silk. So if you get the whole situation of getting your hair getting better, looking shinier, and at the same time you're repairing your hair because it gets dusty, all the oils, and you're trying to keep your hair clean, this guy's here from Garnier just do a great job. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.